àwọn èèyàn kan ò mọ ẹni tó mọ Ọlọ́run. Ẹni tó mọ Ọlọ́run lẹni tó ṣe bí Ọlọ́run. When Jesus Christ came to life, he was doing good. He was from a very poor family. But Jesus Christ was so like wanting to win souls for God. You will find him in places where he's talking to elderly people, talking to children, telling them how beautiful God is. Jesus Christ was a God. I don't want to say man. He was a God of people, feeding people, taking care of people, waking the dead. You know, Jesus Christ was full of miracles. We have Christians, some so-called man of God. They have the money. They have everything. But what have they given to us? Even the Christ, Jesus Christ, ọ̀rọ̀ Ọlọ́run yẹn gan, wọn ò ní fi bọ́ ẹ débi tí wàá rí ẹwà Ọlọ́run. They won't feed you with Christ in a way that you will see the beauty of God. Me, I will not speak for anybody. But I will only say that it is only God who knows the righteous. Me, I'm not a fan of Pastor T.B. Joshua. Even when he was alive, when I was invited to come to his church, I wasn't sure. Because these days, all this man of God, I don't want to talk. Business is low. The people that brought Christ to us, when they brought him, they used it to take our people away. What they baby left wa. Bíbélì ọ̀hún lẹ́yìn tí wọ́n lò. I have been to, when I was in Italy, tá bá lọ sí church, wọ́n máa fún wa lówó ni o. Wọ́n máa fún wa lówó, thanks for coming to church. Wọ́n tún máa sọ wípé we are expecting you next Sunday. They will give us money for coming to church. They beg us to come and worship God neatly. But here, we give everything in our lives to serve that God. Who is God? God is a spirit. When you have a dream, have you ever seen yourself walking on that ground? A man flow nínú àlá ni. Go back to your dream to go and confirm this thing that I'm telling you. Kò sí ẹni tó máa ń fi ẹsẹ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀. Nínú àlá, you cannot walk on the ground. You know why? Because our spirit don't fly and don't roam around. You can be in America now. Why not visit London within a short period of 2 minutes sleep? Because we are spirits. Àwọn ènìyàn wọ́n ti brainwash wa. Wọ́n gbé religion lé wa lọ́wọ́. If you ask some people constitution of Nigeria, they don't know it oh. But they can quote the Bible for you from Genesis to Revelation. Who is Christ? What is the commandment? Loving your neighbor as thyself. Para, end of story. Some people they don't even love their children, not to talk of loving you, the neighbor. Who is a Christian? A Christian is somebody who has the heart to love, to give. Jesus Christ was a giver. He was going about doing good, didn't he? What have you been doing as Christians? What have you been doing as Christians? Hating one another. Ote, tembeleku, ika. One woman like a jebi ko kutola tola. Agagata we keba tu parapo. Ema finuro. What is wrong with people? Ati solong elomi oti e rántí pé Ọlọ́run wà mọ́ rárá. There is God somewhere. See, àwọn gbogbo wa, we are all sinners and we are fall short of the glory of God. There are some things that will happen to you. Èèyàn mi lè ṣe, nǹkan mi lè wà kó dàbí aburú. It might even be to your own. Ọlọ́run lè fẹ́ fi ṣe ẹ́ láàánú ni. Àwọn kankan máa ṣẹlẹ̀ sí ẹ tó máa rò pé nǹkan burúkú ló ṣẹlẹ̀ sí ẹ. Ọlọ́run lè kàn lè mọ́mọ́ fẹ́ fi ṣe àánú fún ẹni. Pastor T.B. Joshua sọ nígbà kan, nígbà tẹ́mi wò, that is one thing I held on to. Ní gbogbo táyé sọ nípa T.B. Joshua. He said, ignore the existence of the wicked. Only because when you think about them and their ways, only you will not move. You won't move from one place to another. Ignore the existence of the wicked and go with God in every day, on every of your step. And I have done to it. What is man? No, answer me. What is man? You would die today, you will leave everything. And we have nothing in this life. The only thing we have is our soul. So what are you doing with your own soul? Go about, go and do some good. Try to love your neighbor. Try láti nífẹ̀ẹ́ ọmọlàkejì. Ìkà ti pọ̀jù, kí ló dé? Àwọn Kristẹni wọ́n máa gbógun tira wọn. Ọ̀gá o. Ọlọ́run á ràn gbogbo wa lọ́wọ́ o. To be of good or of God. Àmín.